Good Saturday morning to you. Hopefully you're having a very pleasant start to the day. I'm taking you outside a look at Clyde Warren Park. They're getting ready for the music festival that's going to happen later on tonight. It looks like a pretty nice night for it, and we're going to see a blue moon later on tonight. So a little bit of cloud cover will be anticipated, but in between those clouds, you could see the blue moon. Pretty cool. 80 degrees where we're sitting at as of right now. Dew point temperature is at 70 degrees, which is the moisture content in the atmosphere. So it's making it feel a little bit hotter outside. It actually feels like the middle 80s right now. Winds from the south around 8 miles per hour. They'll increase as we move into this afternoon, gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour at times. So if you're headed to Colonial today, just a heads up, it might be a little bit breezy, especially for those golfers. 77 degrees is where we're sitting in Fort Worth, 80 degrees into Denton and Dallas, 79 in McKinney, and 78. Good morning to you, Terrell. Temperatures will continue to climb into the upper 80s by lunchtime, but of course it'll feel like the lower 90s. High temperature for the day at 4 p.m. will top out right around 92, but it'll feel more like 95. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water if you're headed out and about. You have any outdoor festivities. You want to make sure you're staying hydrated and, of course, using that sunscreen, even though we'll see some cloud cover during the day today. It will be a little bit breezy as well. And then as we continue into the evening hours tonight, we'll start to see temperatures dip back down into the 80s after the sun sets. Perfect viewing weather for tonight's full moon. It's a blue moon, which doesn't indicate the color of the moon. Unfortunately, that would be really cool. But it's basically called a blue moon because it happens once in a blue moon. We all know that expression. It's the second full moon of the month. It happens every 2 to 3 years. So it's a cool sight to see. The last blue moon was August 30th, 2023. And the next blue moon is forecasted to be December 31st in 2028. So go out and see it tonight. If you're headed out to the Charles Schwab Challenge at Colonial today, 92 degrees, your forecast high. We'll see some cloud cover in the sky, and 95 is the heat index value. Tomorrow, we'll see lots of sunshine. It'll be a gorgeous day. It'll just be a little toasty. Again, heat index will feel like 97. We're holding on to a little bit of cloud cover, especially in the higher levels of the atmosphere. It's all thanks to some Pacific moisture that's moving across Mexico and streaming up into our area. We do have a dry line set up off towards West Texas. That's going to initialize a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Could bring us some activity for our very far northwestern counties later on this afternoon. But generally speaking, I think most of us will stay dry. It's off into West Texas where some showers and storms are initializing as we speak. Level 1 out of 5 threat into Graham, Bowie, Breckenridge, far western counties today. So could see a rumble of thunder being on the stronger end of the spectrum. I'm anticipating it to be the late afternoon through the evening if we see any activity, but again, that potential is there. It's not a guarantee that even some of us will even get rainfall. Continuing into the day tomorrow, lots of sunshine, some clouds in the sky here and there, but generally speaking, it'll be a gorgeous Sunday for you. And Monday will be nice as well. Actually, the start of meteorological summer. Then an active weather pattern will be back into the forecast Tuesday through the rest of the week. And temperatures will stay in the 90s as well. So a really sticky forecast is ahead. Don't forget to stay hydrated and use that sunscreen.